So I've spent some time with the ESKUTE Nova X electric dirt bike, and honestly, this thing surprised me more than I expected. Right out of the box, it feels like a compact but aggressive little machine. You've got a 4,000 WR peak motor pushing up to around 46 miles per hour, and when you twist the throttle, the torque hits fast. Like, it doesn't slowly build up, it just goes. On trails, it actually holds up better than I thought. The suspension does a decent job soaking up bumps, especially considering the price range. It's not premium level smooth, but it's definitely rideable and fun. Battery-wise, they claim up to 60 miles, but in real riding, especially if you're going fast, expect less than that. That's pretty normal in this category, though. Braking is solid with hydraulic discs, and the LED lighting setup is actually pretty useful for low-light rides. Now, is it perfect? No. The fit and finish is a bit budget in places, and I wouldn't push it like a full motocross bike. But for the price, fun factor, and raw power? Yeah, this one is actually worth a serious look if you want an entry-level electric dirt bike.